Hello, we're gonna play Roblox. Do it, bruh. Roblox. Roblox.com. My account is currently 12:40 a.m. That's awesome. Recording a video at night this late. I should be in bed. I don't care. Anyway, I'm gonna play. What should I play? I'm gonna play Welcome to Bloxburg. My favorite. And like this video. And like it's really fun. So, I popped my knuckles. That hurt. So I'll see you guys when I'm in there. And guys, VR here is currently kind of being glitchy, but we can still see what we're doing. So let's get to it. I need what we see, but I don't really care that I don't have it. At least I have bonus clip. Anyway, my house is glitching, and I'm glitching. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's better. So that's my skin, and we are currently at my house in Welcome to Bloxburg. I don't have that much money because I spent it a lot on this place, but yeah, it just should be nice. So what's my phone? Okay, good. Right now I'm gonna go to my job because I need to go to my job like really bad, bruh. I also have a pool. You guys haven't really seen me build this because I didn't really do YouTube. This is my first ever video. If this does get posted, this might not get posted. Anyway, we're gonna go to my job right now, so it's right around there. So it's right here. I'm gonna be doing the pizza delivery job like that guy's doing. Ugh, get in there. And the pizza. Oh, my job thing on promoted is really high. It's at 8. I need to deliver just a couple more pizzas and I'll get promoted, which would be awesome. Sorry, I'm kind of down. Like, it's very late. Stuff, as I said earlier, it's like 12:45 in the morning. So, well, at night, but nice house. Yeah, I don't put roofs on my house because so then I can when I edit it, I don't have to delete the roof and then like put it back on and delete it and put it back on. It just gets annoying. So can't even get to my job. It's so far away. Next video we might be going up there. Because I heard there's like something you can fly off up there, so that'd be cool if there's planes and stuff, but that would be cool, but I probably don't think there is. There might be like hang gliders or something. But that'll be in a future video because we're not even gonna do that today. So oh my god. The part I hate about like this job is that the moped is very slow. It's like really, bruh. Is the moped good, bro? So, oh, I hate these like other side of the map deliveries. But why should I just stop this weird? Anyway, oh, that was probably loud. I better cut that out. Boop. Yay, got promoted! So each one I make, well, if I left now I get that, but I need to deliver 91 pizzas. Actually, no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get off over here and then redo it and see how much monies I get per pizza delivery. So, let's just So I got 1,009. If I do one pizza delivery, use the moped. Get out of here. After a while, you use the mopeds, though, they kind of seem like they get faster, but they actually don't. It just feels like it because you got used to it. So I get. Let me go back and see. Actually, I'm just check. $394. That's actually pretty good. Well, kinda. I want to be that good for like you rich people that play this game. I have like $250,000, but hey, to me, to me, it's good because I'm like weird at this game. So, ugh, is this another other side of the map pizza delivery? I hate these. So we are currently playing another game. You might have just saw it a little second ago, but we are playing whatever this says. Game Empire Tycoon. Saves, I guess. So, touch the claim. Start work. Click the keyboard to stop the work. Start the work. So I just keep clicking and I get money. I guess so. But I already got 4 cash. I don't know. So, let's cost Robux. I don't know. Buy the first 4 for, okay, I get this game. I need to save it though, because I want to save when I'm done, but what happened? Oh, I got dollar money. Who should I buy? That 4? I have to buy this 4, because that's the only thing I have enough for. What's this? A safe. Oh, this stuff is kind of cool. For some reason, my animation thing won't work in this game. Actually, I got a better game we can play. A way better game. I totally know what to play. Sorry about that, guys. My computer kind of went down and stuff. So this game we're gonna play is called this. This. Yes, this one. So yeah, this is my animation, so it's awesome. But we have the hotel thing, and I want to load it. So I've had this so far. I've been going with like other things, and I always need to keep this on because when I keep this on, people keep getting it. So I don't know what we're doing. But it's like, look, you get monies, like infinite monies. It's awesome. And every time you buy stuff, like this vault will go up. But like every 2 minutes, you get like $200,000. Well, not 200,000, but I should say like 20,000, I guess. $25,000. What else could I buy while I wait? The Ultra Crusher. I'll buy this. I get more. So like every time you buy something, I gain money quicker. But let's see. Yeah, see. You get monies every time you buy stuff with your money because it wastes your money and then you go down and you want to collect it. But this is, I guess, the Ultra Cruiser. Is this really the Ultra Cruiser? Oh my. Oh my, very glitchy. Oh my. Oh my gosh. This is very weird. It's like it crashes and actually go through it. But I won't try. Oh my, this thing is so weird. What's this? That is. What am I doing? What's going on? So yes, I guess. So guys, that will be the end of the video today. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And comment, whatever. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.